This is my iLedBike unboxing and a demonstration on how this device works. At the same time, a tutorial about the app function. But before that, kindly like and subscribe. Scan this QR code to download the coolLed1248 app. By the way, I purchased this on Temu. It's a taillight that is designed for bike, with a cool animation effects. So let's unbox first. Inside the box is this user manual in different language translation. Then this Type-C charging cable that's applicable to input voltage of 5 volts charging adapter. But do not use those fast charge adapter. And this are the buttons function of the remote control. Just a minor problem. In the manual, the binding function of the remote and the LED screen is totally useless. I've tried to unbind, but still both devices are working. And this is the charging port of the remote. And the screw for the LED bracket and the LED screen. And here's the LED bracket that can be attached in the seat post. And here's the LED display, that entirely made of plastic. I'm just hoping that this is in splash-proof design in case of rainy day. And here's the Type-C charging port. Just an advice. Position the LED display charging port in downward position, just in case in a rainy days. At the back is where the power button is located. And since the charging port is covered with rubber lid, so it is safe at all. Then this is the remote function looks like. Long press the power icon button to turn on the device. The center button is for power button/emergency button. Do short press to activate the function, then to turn off just short press again. Then the down button is for brake. Do short press to activate, and to turn off, do short press again. The upper button is to advance. Do short press to activate, then short press again to turn off. To turn left, do short press this left button. And to turn right, then short press the right button. So how this app works? Then check this out. When the app is open, the Bluetooth connectivity automatically check which device is present that is being supported by the app. In the down part, or I may say taskbar, there are 5 buttons. So let's start the driving button first. Basically, it is the same function as the remote does. They just add the distance, the speed, and how long you've been on riding. To calculate all of those, just press the play icon button to start. The next button is the program. These are all save customized taillights effects that you wanted to display while on ride. Later, I will demonstrate how to create and save all your selected taillights effects. You can play all those save effects alternately, or just one taillight effects only. The next button is the material. So these are the installed taillights animation effects. The devil eyes for me is the hot animation effects you can use. Just select the taillight effects you want, then press send. Next to devil eyes effects is the cycling signs, creative, emoji, festival, and the default. And if you wanted that to be save on the program button, then notice the save icon button on the upper part. Then press that after you've selected the effects you need, and that will appear on the program list. Then this cycling button, which are all signal signs choices, and here are the options. And then the creative, and here are the choices. And of course your favorite emojis. And of course the festival, which are the selections of events. Lastly is the default. I'm just confused why they didn't combine this on creative list, which for me, it is the same concept on the creative list. The next button is the rhythm, which you can play as equalizer LED light effects. You can choose either the saved music in your phone or use the mic while playing the other source of music. Forgive me, I can't show or play the music due to copyright issue, in both music and mic function, but I guarantee that this function really works well. Then this is how to create your own taillight effects. Press the plus sign icon on the upper part. Then choose either only text or graffiti, animation, material, or template. On a text style effects, tap the blank screen. Then type the word you want to display. Then you may change the color, and if you're creative enough, you can rotate the format. But in the case of this iLedBike device, rotating the fonts might not be good as display since the device cannot be rotated in vertical position. Then change the speed display, and after that, press the save icon function on the upper part, and that will appear on your list. And let's try the template. Choose one of these options, either the picture or the text you want to edit first. That doesn't matter. So let's tap the picture icon first, then select your desired picture. Select material. Then either you choose dynamic or static display. Then after that, press the check button on the upper part. Then for the text, tap Click to Edit. It is the same process as I did on the text function. After that, press the check icon button on the top. Then the finished display will appear. And then press the save icon, and this will be added on your list in the program button. All your list can be played alternately, depending upon the sequence of your selection. Then, after all has been selected, then press Send. You may delete also the save effects. On the upper part, there's a pencil icon. Then press that, and the delete icon will appear on each effects. And as you notice, each effects corresponds a number, which means the sequence will be played/display accordingly by numbers. So how was that? Isn't it cool? Well, please leave your comments below. This is how it looks like when it is charging. When it is full, the battery display color will be totally in red. Since the battery capacity was written in the box, so I've tried to check it using this tester. And I was amazed because in my test, the battery capacity is more than what is written in the box. And to check how long I can use for a fully charged battery. And in my test, it takes almost 5 hours continuous usage before I charge it again. So I guess it isn't that bad at all, considering the animation effects was being used. And that's it. If you reached till on this video, then thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, as well as your thoughts about this device. See you on my next video.